What's going on, Lint lovers? It's Mark with Kathy behind the camera, and it is time for our weekly vacuum clean out. We kind of got off schedule the last couple of weeks because we've been, oh my God. Is that good for the filter, you think, Kathy? Look at that.
It's still working.
It's still working, yeah, that's right. We get a lot of people worried about us tearing up this vacuum, but you know what? I'd love to just blow this thing up one day. That would make for a great video. I'm joking. People have been complimenting you, Kathy, on your close-up skills of the fingers, so. Kathy doesn't read all the comments like I do. I read every single comment. JK. Some people say, do slow fingers, do fast fingers. You can please some of the people all of the time, but you can't please all of the people, even some of the time. Is that the way that goes? I think that's right. Somebody spot check me. I think that's right. I don't know who said that. I think it was a president. Oh. Three fingers? Don't you say nothing.
Keeping my mouth shut.
Nothing wrong. Three fingers. I knew a guy in high school that used to call him Two-Finger Tony. I don't know why they called him that, but I guess because his name was Tony.
What about the finger?
I don't know. I never asked him. Maybe I'll look him up. What are you up to, Tony? Maybe he's up to Three-Finger Tony. I don't know. Oh, look at that one. See how deep it is in there? I had to get that one clean. A couple more bangs. I neglected this whole side. It's going to be a 10-minute video by the time I'm done. I'm just having a good time. I'm just kind of zoning out and putting my fingers in here. It is very satisfying. See that dust? Couple more. All right. Sorry. I'm really, but I should be. All right. Sorry. Whew. Sorry about that. 10 minutes later. All right. Let's get this thing empty. Got some beautiful lint. We got some plans for this lint. I can't quite say what those plans are yet, but some of this lint is going to a special cause today. We'll see how it goes. It's awfully dusty. What do we got in the bottom? Of course, corn. That pin that we just sucked up. I don't see the rest of the pin. Must have got. All right. That's it for now. Sorry for the long video. Some of you probably enjoyed it. We will check in next week when we do the over-under after the second clean out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Thanks.